How to clone voice in Murf AI 2025. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can use the AI powers to clone any type of voice. So to do this, what you're going to be doing is, first of all, you're going to go over to Murf.ai. Now, once you're in Murf.ai, it's going to ask you to go ahead and sign up with any type of account that you have. I'm going to simply go ahead and sign up with my Gmail. Okay, it doesn't take you a lot of time. Simply go ahead, sign up, give it access, go ahead, continue, and it should take you straight to Murph's studio. Okay, that is how simple it is going to be. Now, once you're in Murph Studio, what you're going to do over here to clone a voice is, first of all, right over here in the voices that you have, you can go over to explore AI voices. Now, here you got tons and tons of voices that you can work along with. But we're here to clone a voice. We're here to put a voice in these scripts that I have created myself. Okay. So what you can do is you can drop down a file over here of your very own voice. Okay. So let's say I have a voice prompt that I've got in the background. And once you upload this, let me show you how it looks. Now, once you've uploaded your very own audio, what you can do from there is you're going to go over to Murf Suite, and here you have the voice cloning. Now, for the voice cloning, you are going to want to make sure that you have the upper plans for Murf AI, because without that, you won't be able to add voice clones. But once you've gotten the upper plans, all that's going to be happening is you're simply going to be adding your very own voice to this. Okay, like let's say over here I select a file over here, and let's say we have some type of voiceover over here. So let's say I'm going to go over to my documents. Okay. And here in, the different voice settings that I have, I can simply go over and choose any audio file that I contain. Okay. So it depends on you on whatever voice settings you need. And once you add that over here, you can simply clone your voice, but do make sure to use this voice cloning feature that you have. And for it, do make sure to get the upper plans. So that is basically how you're going to be cloning your very own voice in 2025. Thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.